beautiful, intelligent, loving, caring. I can't believe the young adult that you've become.
Follow your dreams and never give up on them. Believe in yourself as much as I believe in you.
I just want to say thank you, Marilena, for being in my life, being the girl that you are, the daughter that you are. Without you in my life, I wouldn't have the balance that I have. I wouldn't have the things that I have with you, the joy and the love.
Never forget how much I love you. Don't ever lose sight of the wonderful person you are.
There's more than anything in this world that I would not do for you, my boys, or my wife.